Hey everyone, welcome back to the Launchpad. Zach here with a TLP news update about Virgin Galactic and their next mission. Today, Virgin Galactic officially announced Unity 22, and this mission is going to be launching in just 10 days. Unity 22 will be launching on July 11th, carrying Virgin Galactic's first full, not test crew to space, and we also know who will be flying on board. So let me introduce you to the crew of Unity 22.
Chief Pilot Dave Mackay, I'll be flying VSS Unity into space on the Unity 22 mission, joined by a full crew of Virgin Galactic mission specialists.
Pilot Mike Masucci, I'll be in the cockpit for my second spaceflight.
Astronaut 004 Surisha Bandla, I'll be testing the researcher experience.
Astronaut 003 Colin Bennett, I'll be evaluating cabin procedures during boost and weightlessness.
Astronaut 002 Beth Moses, I'll be spaceship cabin lead and test director.
Astronaut 001 Richard Branson, I'll be evaluating the customer spaceflight experience. As the Virgin Galactic founder, I am so proud to have this remarkable crew of mission specialists and pilots by my side as we fly to space. I've always been a dreamer. My mum taught me to never give up and to reach for the stars. This July, our dream will become a reality. And we're really excited to share that moment with you all. And when we return, I will announce something very exciting to give more people the chance to become astronauts. Because space does belong to us all. So watch this space.
Wow, what a crew. On July 11th, of course, we will be live as Virgin Galactic for the first time shares a global live stream, and they are inviting people around the world to participate virtually in Unity 22 and experience firsthand the full launch experience and dream of being on board someday. Sir Richard Branson has also promised upon his return, he will be sharing a very special announcement that will give more people the chance to become astronauts in the near future. That's all for this update, but we will see you on July 11th for the launch of Unity 22. This is Zach, signing off.